Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Pulse credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Pulse credit card online, open up your web browser. In the web address bar, type in www.pulsecard.co.uk and search. Once you end up on the official site, click the login button at the top right hand corner. In the login area, type in your username associated with your account. If you don't remember your username, you can tap on Forgot Username link and follow the instructions till the end. If you don't have an account yet, you can tap on the register button at the top and follow through the registration process in order to complete your sign up. Once you are done creating an account, you can easily type in your username associated with your account and tap the next button in order to end up on the next page. On the next page, type in your password correct and you'll be able to access your Pulse credit card online with your mobile device. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.